Hey everyone! Ever had a gaming issue that you just couldn't solve on your own? Well, fear not. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to easily connect with EA Live Chat support to get the help you need. Whether it's a glitch, a technical problem, or just some general assistance, EA Live Support is here to save the day. Let's go! To get started, open your browser and type in EA Live Chat Support. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the page, log in and choose the game you're experiencing issues with. Select your device and describe the issue you're facing. And that's all there is to do. You'll be connected with EA Live Chat support in no time. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.